Hey everybody, welcome back. Today is a little bit different. Not doing a build today, more of a show and tell. Most of you know I've been pretty busy with a side project, my Noctua watches, as you can see. Just wanted to give you guys an in-depth look at the 4 models that I have currently. Just wanted to show you guys what I've been up to. So come on down to the bench and I'll show you guys. All right, you guys, well, here it is. This is what I'm offering. This is what you're going to wind up getting with your watches. It's going to come like this guy here on a green rubber strap or possibly a black and gray. I'm not yet sure if I'm going to have these as options or just purchase on the side. Purchase on the side for sure. But this is what you're going to get. Pilots all have a knurled crown and a black bezel. They all have a signed case back denoting the water resistance and the model. Now, for options, I have a pilot diver, PD1, a pilot, a P1, a pilot diver full loom, so that's the PDFL1, and a pilot full loom, PFL1. So I'm thinking the number system should make sense. All my watches will come with a limited 2-year warranty. So, you know, any issues that were my fault, I cover that. Any issues that are your fault, well, that's on you. Don't expect warranty service if you just, you know, wear it to go wrestle bears. That's not happening. Another thing you're going to get is a PVC patch, logo patch. Now this patch is meant to go there on the outside of packaging, because this is the pouch you're going to get your watches in. Now this patch is actually loomed as well. I went a little crazy with the loom. Everything's loomed on these things. So the eyes are loomed on the patch. This is an actually reusable system. I hate watch boxes. We all get hundreds of the damn things and nobody uses them after that. So I figured a usable watch case or pouch, what I'm calling it since my logo is an owl, is a nest. So your watches will come like so, tucked away safely in the nest. Now you do also have the option to purchase a metal bracelet that goes with. Now don't pay much attention to the damages and scratches on this one. I've been wearing this one for months. So it's actually more just dirty than anything. That's what I love about this finishing. You can just about rub off most things except for the big ones. But this is the full loom dial, and all the watches are extremely well loomed, to say the least. Full loom dials, full loom bezels, hands, date window, logo. Lots of loom for us loom fiends, which I am one of. Most certainly. So you guys, I just wanted to give you a personalized first-hand tour before you see it anywhere else. These are my offerings. Please feel free to leave me some comments and opinions down below. I'd love to hear it. By the way, this patch, it's really good Velcro, by the way, also comes with the backing piece. So if you wanted to actually stick this to something else, feel free. It doesn't have to go on the packaging. But anyhow, everybody, thanks for watching. I appreciate your time. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate it. It really helps the channel. And please subscribe to Noctua Watches. I'd appreciate that as well. Lots more coming out. I have different designs in mind. And yeah, I'd love to hear your feedback. Good, bad, otherwise, I want to hear it all. Thanks, you guys. Cheers. Love y'all.